You ready to bake some cakes today, Blake? Let's do it. Yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm here in none other than Valencia Bakery, located in the South Bronx. And today we're going to learn how to make cakes. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. So this is where the batter is baked, made. So as you can see, right now we're gonna do some cupcakes. After the batter is made, of course, obviously we put them in the little cupcake cups.
Mommy loves
From
it.
here. See, these would be the racks that we put them on. So this is like the vanilla, this is the chocolate, and then once they're put into the cupcake holders, this over here is the oven where they are baked. These are the ovens, and then this is the oven, and then on this side we use it to cool off the cakes.
Wow.
Wow. And then from here we go back. This is the station where the cakes are filled with whichever filling you choose. So you can see here he's gonna put the filling in, he moistens the cake.
So cool.
And then depending on the order and the flavor that they choose for the filling is what we provide for them. Okay, so here is, see how the cakes are already filled. We come over here, just he crumb coats it.
This is the thing. Everybody knows the famous Valencia frosting. Yeah.
The famous buttercream. Look, wow. So yummy.
Amazing.
The icing.
Right here.
Huh? What's that?
Thank you.
And then once they are iced, they come over to either or of the tables where one of the decorators would decorate it. So would be the beginning process from grabbing it, and then on the other side is how they finish.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I'm gonna make it.
That's excellent.
And so once they are decorated, they're moved over to this table. This would be the section where the flowers are made.
Hands down. Hands down. Hands down, bro. Beautiful. Thank you.
So this would be the flower making section. And then this is how they're made, handmade, one of a kind. This is where we write on the cakes. Once they're written on, we box them up.
Anyone letter M?
You want to write the letter M?
Yeah.
Say, I'm going to write the letter D.
I love letter B.
Yeah. And then they're boxed here, packaged here.
Okay, so what we're going to do first is... Anybody want to tell me how to do this? Like, what do you do first?
You grab it, you grab this right here, and then
Okay.
you just turn this. And then you're just able to put it on, and then
Okay.
spin it.
Try it, and then I'll go up. All right. You see what she's doing? Okay, I'm going to try it. All right, so we're going to do what the lady just did. Hold the edge. Yeah, like that.
And I'll spin it for you.
All right, thank you. Good. Right there. Bring it down just a little bit.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
if you want to, I'm sorry, you can just twist this.
Oh, okay.
So
Twist
it's
it.
easier.
Gotcha.
There you go. Wow.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Guys are doing a good job. Good
Thank
job.
you. All right. Good job.
Nice.
Yeah. So right now we're just frosting the cake.
And once you eat the egg, and this is up
Look how good that looks.
the cake.
You like cakes, Blake? You like cake, Blake?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Perfect. I think that's good, right? Okay. Now we're gonna use the spatula.
Yeah.
Smooth it. Good job.
That's good.
Good job. Okay. Nice. Slow, 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 slow.
Delicious.
All right.
Yeah.
Should let you do it. Let's
No.
see.
Got it.
If you spin it, that'd be perfect.
Okay.
All right. So now we're gonna have Wanda teach us how to frost the cake. All right. This is super cool. Let's look. She did that so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a pro.
Oh man.
Let's do it.
Wow. Oh, let me try. All right. Let's see. Right. Laurine. There we are. Oh wow. Perfect.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So not too heavy. Right. There we go. All right. This is so cool. We're here at Valencia Bakery learning how to make a traditional Valencia cake. It doesn't get no better than this. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing work. Wow. Perfect. We did it. Look what we made. Oh man, this is so cool. Yes, sprinkles.
Yeah.
Put some sprinkles on the cake.
Yeah, and salt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More. Yes, beautiful. Wow. Yeah. I love that. That's so cool. Oh wow. Thank you everybody. Appreciate it. Yes.
Cupcakes.
You want to do a cupcake?
Yeah.
Let's do a cupcake. Wait, we gotta wait for the lady. Miss Wanda. Okay.
Put the hand here.
I want to make it M. I want to make it M.
Turn it over this.
Wow.
I want to make it M cupcake. I want to make.
Wow.
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 Now
Cool.
play it, babe.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, sprinkles.
Yeah.
What color?
Blue.
Yeah.
Now we put a sprinkle.
And let's get some of these in there too.
It looks like a daddy.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah.
Are you guys hiring? I think we got a few.
Yeah, daddy. And you said, look, daddy.
All right.
I
Sounds
made
good. Sounds
sprinkles.
good.
Look,
I know somebody
mommy,
can't
look,
wait to
mommy.
eat all of
I
this,
made
so
sprinkles.
I gotta watch him. Thank you. Perfect. Yes. Perfect.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. I didn't move.
Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate it. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm here in Valencia right now, and Valencia brings back so many memories. I remember coming here for every birthday, every graduation, and just there's so much history within the area, within the building. And I remember going on a school trip when I was like about 5 years old, and we came and we saw the bakery, and it was magical then, and it still continues to be magical now. Valencia has changed with the times. It got together with the times and still managed to stay relevant. Anywhere I go and I talk about Valencia, people know exactly what I'm talking about. They know it's a good taste. And it's important to me that my son knows Valencia because it's just tradition in our family. So no matter where we go, we eat Valencia cake. You like Valencia cake?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, yeah. And we had so much fun here today looking at everything behind the scenes. Did you have a good time with the cake?
Yeah.
You had a good time? Tell the people you had a good time? All right. Yeah. We had fun, right?
We have a good
Yeah, we had a good time.
See?
Yeah. Is your cake delicious? You love it? You love your cake?
Yeah, I like my cake. I like that only make cake.
Say thank you, Valencia Bakery.
Thank you, Valencia Bakery.